Max DL 2.5 has fluctuated in popularity since its 2006 release. A healthy blend of new and original designs has formed in the Total Air portfolio during the past 8 months. The silhouette has made an appearance ahead of summer in a black, metallic silver, hyper-royal variant that is reminiscent of an earlier version. The current version of the Air Max sneaker, like many of its ensembles, has a mixed materials upper and dual cushion sole unit that are primarily dark in color. Bold blue flare and a glittering metallic contrast are indulged in by the curved overlays throughout the profiles. The full-length air bubble beneath the foot completes the Inter Milan-inspired pair with a hyper-royal touch, while profile swooshes and the inner lining follow suit. Thanks to size, take a look at the Air Max DL 2.5 in detail up front from the United Kingdom. Pairs should be available on Nike.com worldwide before October. SRP is $180 US.